Hi children, today let us learn the use of this. Okay, in the sentence we are going to use this. It's very interesting. Remember, we are learning to read the sentence. Yes. Now, if I ask you, what is this? You will say, this is a pointer. Yes. So let's look at our first picture. Learn to read and the use of this. All right? It's very interesting. Look. Remember, we are learning to read. Look at this picture. What is in the picture, children? It's a coin. It's a 10 rupees coin. The biggest coin that we available is 10 rupees. Ask mommy to show you. Inside silver, outside gold color is written rupees 10. Look at the question. We are learning to read the question, answer the question, and this, use of this also, all in one. What is this? This is a coin. Read. Remember, both the sentence, the first letter is capital, ending with a question for the question, full stop for the sentence. Yes? What is this? This. Instead of saying, what is this? What is this? Then instead of saying coin. So instead of coin, we say this. This is a coin. The question is, what is this? This is a coin. This is a 10 rupee coin. Use of this. The question says, what is this? So you begin the answer. This is a coin. Full stop. Reading the question and answering the question. That's what you're doing now, and the use of this. What is this? This is a coin. Did you enjoy? Let's look at another picture. Look what you have here. You have, look at this. What picture is this? Camel. Yes, it's a camel. Where do you see camel? In the desert. How do you know it's a camel? Seeing the face, its neck, its feet, above all, at the back, you have a hump. Every camel has a hump. Let's read the question. What is this? Answer, this is a camel. What is a camel? It's an animal that you find in the hot desert, wherever it's hot, sandy place. He has feet like this and he can travel long distance without even eating or drinking. We are learning to read the question, answer the question, and the use of this in the sentence. Read with me. What is this? This is a camel. Good. Shall we take another picture? Have you seen this? Where have you seen this? In your house? If you keep sweet out, if you keep cake out, zoom, this little creature will come sit, and then what happens? You'll get fever. You get fever. Name it fly. House fly, a very dangerous insect. Okay? What is this? This is an insect, or this is a housefly. Yes? This is an insect, or you can say this is a housefly. Read the question for me. What is this? Answer, this is an insect. This is a housefly. Good. So now you know houseflies are dangerous. You have to keep the sweet items, coffee, milk, all closed. Let's look at a new picture. Remember, you are learning to read the question, answer the question, read the answer correctly. Good. Look at this. The two little hands holding some sand with what inside? A tiny plant. This little girl or boy trying to plant. Tiny plant in the garden. Do you do that? Let's read the question. What is this? Answer. This is a plant. This, we are using this. The use of this in the answer. Let's read the question and the answer. Very good. What is this? This is a plant, a tiny plant. Good. You are able to read, you are able to see the usage of this in the sentence. Shall we look at another picture? Look at the picture and see. Wow, so beautiful. It's a shoe flower. Pink shoe flower, green leaves. Doesn't it look beautiful? Yes. Look at that lovely picture of the shoe flower. Let us read the question and the answer. What is this? This is a flower. This is a flower. What flower? This is a shoe flower. This is a pink flower. Where do you find? In your garden. Yes? What is this? This is a flower. This is a pink flower. This is a shoe flower. This is a pink shoe flower. You are learning to read the question and the answer, the use of this in the sentence too. Very good. Are you happy? Shall we go to our next picture? Look at this. See what you have here. Look, have you traveled in this? Yes? Where do you go in this? To different places? Or mommy takes you to somewhere far off? Otherwise, where do you see this? It comes to your school when you go for a picnic, when you go on a long trip to enjoy. Yes? Let's read the question and read the answer and the use of this in the sentence. What is this? This is a bus. Where do you see the bus, children? If you go to the main road, you see bus. Where did the bus go? It goes on the road. Have you noticed the wheels? Front and the back, it's got 4 wheels. So whenever you want to go short distances, you can travel in a bus. And when you travel in a bus, you must see that your head and hand, you should not put it out. What color bus is this? Blue, greenish blue. Let us read the question, children. What is this? This is a bus. Buses are bigger than the auto or car. Yes. Did you enjoy reading the question, reading the answer, and the use of this in the sentence? Let's go on to a new picture. See what you have here. What creature is this? Where do you find it? You see it at the market? Yes, correct. Where does it come from? This is a creature that you find in the river or in the ocean, in the sea. What is the name? Crab. It's also kind of fish, but it's a very dangerous one. Yes? Let us read. What is this? This is a crab. Crab, it will crawl sideways. Yes? And if you don't touch here, you will get your finger and then you will not be able to, it won't leave you. It's got very strong scissors like hands. read. What is this? This is a crab. Crab is a fish, is a sea animal, or also found in the river. Shall we go to another picture? We are learning to read the question. We are learning to read the answer, the usage of this in the sentence too. Let's take a new picture. Yes? Good. Here we are. Have you seen this? Yes, where do you see it? In the church, in the temple. You light this for God. Yes? Candle. How do you light the candle? With the matchbox. Yes. Where else do you use a candle? Yes, on your birthday cake. Let's read the question. What is this? This is a candle. This is the birthday candle. Yes? You blow and wish that you become clever and good and pretty. What is this? This is a candle. What color candle? A red color candle. Yes? What is the candle made of, children? Wax. When you burn, it melts and comes down and becomes smaller and smaller and smaller. We are learning to read question. We are learning to read the answer. The use of this in the sentence. What is this? This is a candle. Shall we look at another new picture? See what you have here. Where do you find this? In your hall, in your house, you find dinner. What is put on it? Cushion. This is a sofa, and cushions are put there for what? To sit and be comfortable. Who sits there most of the time? Your grandma. Yes, she sits on the sofa. Let's read the question and the answer and the use of this in the sentence. What is this? This is a sofa, a comfortable, soft sofa. When visitors come, where do they sit? On the sofa, in the hall. Yes? What is this? This is a sofa. So you're learning to read the question. You're learning to read the answer. Yes? Use of this in the sentence. Let's go on to a new picture. What is this? Where do you use this? You can use it on a dress. You can use it on your head after having put a nice high ponytail. It's called a bow. Little girls have bows on the dress in front or at the back, or bows for the neck or bows for the head. What is this? This is a bow, either for the hair or for the dress. We are learning to read the question and the answer and the use of this in the sentence. What is this? This is a bow. This is a red bow, or this is a polka dotted bow. Did you enjoy, children? Shall we go to a new picture? Look, what is this? Who uses this? Your teacher, yes. After using the blackboard, the teacher takes the duster and rubs away and then write it again. So this is used for cleaning the board. Cleaning what's written, to clean what was written on the board, what Miss wrote with the chalk, to write fresh new notes. Let's read the question and the answer and use of this in the sentence. Look carefully. What is this? This is a duster. What did the duster use? To clean the board, to wipe the board. What is this? This is a duster. Good. Shall we go on to a new picture? See what you have here. Where do you live, children? You live in a house? Yes. Here, let's read. What is this? This is a house where you live. Yes, you live in a house, a happy little home you have. Yes. And what's the color of the home? Green. They're painted green. Let's read this question. Let's read the answer and look carefully at the use of this in the sentence. What is this? This is a house. This is a house. Good. Did you learn to read the question, the answer, the use of this? Did you notify? Good. Did you enjoy? Let's go on to a new picture. Look, a lovely little pot with the decorations. When do you see decorated pots like this in the market? Have you seen like this? During what festival? Pongal time, you'll have lots of pots and they put decorations on it with chalk or paint. Yes? What is this? This is a pot. Mostly these are clay pots to carry water or store water to keep it cool in summertime. Read. What is this? This is a pot. Good. You learned identify the use of this. You learned to read the question. You learned to read the answer. Very good. Let's go on to a new picture. See what you have here. Have you seen this animal? Yes? Yes. It's a goat. Where do you see goat? In the market, at the farm. Some people keep it in the house. For what? For milk. Yes. Good. Let's read the question. Let's read the answer and look at the use of this in the sentence. What is this? This is a goat. Look at the goat carefully. Look at the two horns. Yes? Look. One look you say goat. Yes? What is this? This is a goat. Goat gives us milk and meat. Did you enjoy, children, reading the question, reading the answer, and the use of this in the sentence? Let's look at a new picture now. What is this? Where do you find this? In Mommy's kitchen, yes. And what do you use it for? You can use it for many things. To drink porridge, yes, to keep something in the fruit on the table, many use there. Let's read the question and the answer. What is this? This is a bowl. You can have porridge in the bowl. You can drink soup in the bowl. You can keep anything in the bowl. Mommy uses this to put curry and leave it on the table for all to use. A bowl. What is this? This is a bowl. This is a red bowl. Yes? Good.